Now it's time to cut the corrugated steel. You're going to want to go ahead and measure the wall. Mine measured about 91.5 inches. I'm going to go with 3 panels, so I'm going to divide that by 3, which would be slightly over 30 inches a piece. Now I'm planning on a little overlap from each of my panels, so I'm going to make them a little bit longer. Once you know what you need, the size you need, we're going to go ahead, mark our steel, cut it, and then we're going to use a grinder to grind the sharp edges so that nobody gets caught. Now that all our pieces are cut, it's time to go inside and go ahead and throw these babies up on the wall. Now that we have our wood sanded and cut down to length and stained the gray that we want, we're going to go ahead and add the weathering look that I like. We'll be using Valspar Lime Wash Glaze for this. So give it a good shake. Throw a glove on. And then we're just going to use our sponge. Dip it in the glaze and put a couple dots on, and you'll see how we can get that weathered look. You can use the same sponge, just use the other end of it. Dip a little bit on, and then you just dab it in different spots. You can make it nice and thick, and you can make other spots thinner. I'm just going for a nice smooth weathered look to give it some characteristic. So it should look something like that. And now, through the advancement of modern technology, we are going to go ahead and fast forward this bathroom remodel. You're going to notice that we already have installed the corrugated metal on the wall, installed a new mirror, and also installed a new vanity. And we have also made some custom towel racks and a toilet paper holder. So here's a quick peek at the remodel now. And now the only thing missing from this remodel is a new light to tie it all in. And that's where the fun begins. And now it's time to assemble the electrical part of the light. So get whatever kind of electrical cord you want. Heather and I decided to go with this gunmetal gray braided cloth wrapped electrical cord. And the sockets we decided to go with are a vintage look black socket. All this stuff you can get on Amazon. So we're going to have to wire this up, connect the top, and then our light will be able to hang out of this socket. So we need 3 of those, so let's get started. Now it's time to make the base for our light. Go ahead and take the board that you already prepped and smooth it out just a bit. Decide which side you like better and want facing out. I think this side will look the best. So next, we're going to go ahead and install our hanging pieces. This is all 1/2-inch pipe. We got a 90°, then the 1/2-inch pipe, and then the base on there. So we're going to go with 3 lights, so let's go ahead and lay those out. We want our base to mount flush against the wall in our bathroom. So in order for that to happen, we're going to have to take a router and router in some channels and make a few pockets in here for the electrical cords to lay inside. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now we have our piping and 90° angles back on our light switch, and we have routed out the back, making a pocket for the electrical. We're going to go ahead and wire up the electrical and get it in place so we can get this installed. Now it's time to go inside, take down the old fixture, and install the new one. So now you can see that the bathroom remodel is finally finished. We installed the new light. It looks great. Got the vanity in, and the last thing we have to do is replace the stock handles of the vanity with some of these 90° pipes. So what I got was just some machine screws, some liquid nails construction adhesive, put them in there, filled them up, and then they will just fit right in there and give it a little bit more of a custom look than the original handles that came on it. Well,